Hello everyone, brought the Braumach Spare tyre for a Toyota CHR 2025 model. As you know, all modern cars these days don't come with a space saver tyre. They come with kind of like a manufacturer's adhesive in case you get a flat, but it's not too good if you get a sidewall puncher. So I ended up buying this spare tyre kit from Braumach Spares, which I'm really impressed with. It came in the box you can see there on the right, another smaller box that housed the actual jack and the other bits and pieces you can see, and I'm very impressed with the way it was all packaged and the way that I was kept up to date with all the communications while it was in transit. You'll see the next video will show you that I'm fitting the actual tyre to the vehicle. Thank you. Okay, so I've got the provided jack ready to go, and as you can see I've got the actual spare wheel and some of the tools and the nuts to put on for the spare tyre that's been provided. I've got my little ratchet that they've also provided, and how cool is this? I've got my gloves on that even match the colour of my car. How coincidental is that? So they provide you these gloves as well. So what I'm going to do now is just show you the mount point under my vehicle to be able to jack this vehicle up. So I'm going to just house it there and just spin this with my hand until I get that caught and catches there. And once that's done, I can then start using the actual lever to lift it. Okay, let's see how we go. There. Use this one here. Very easy to do, very simple. A little bit more. It's a great capacity on this jack, up to about 2 tons if I'm right. So I've already loosened the nuts on the tyre prior, so I should be able to even just take these off now. Just using the socket, which I'll do. So it's always a concern that, you know, you get a flat tyre and you're stuck in the middle of somewhere. What do? You wait for roadside assistance for a couple of hours, only to find that all they can do is really tow you. So it's great having the spare tyre available. Let's go. That one out. That one's done. These gloves are great too. They've got a good grip on them, non-slip on the inside of your hand, so keeps your hands clean. Also gives you a bit of extra grip when working on the tyre. Everything's supplied in the kit. Okay, that's that one, and we're on the last one now. Use the tool. Beautiful. And here comes the last one now. Great. I lift off the existing supplied tyre. Roll that around. Grab the new tyre or the replacement space saver. Line it up appropriately. In the pack, you get provided with the appropriate nuts for it, and they can fit inside. So I get the appropriate socket for that. Always do the opposite side first. One to the top, one to the bottom. Opposite sides. Just do it by hand, tighten at the moment. It's great having these sockets. Fits nice and easy. Everything's supplied in the kit, there's nothing else to buy. So I ended up buying the complete kit. Why? Because I know I got a good decent quality jack. But be very careful where you buy some jacks sometimes. You don't want it collapsing on you when you're actually jacking up a vehicle. I feel very safe with this jack knowing it's got a capacity of 2 tons. Don't even think the car weighs that much. I think it's only about 1.5, 1,500. Great. So I've got the tyre on there. So I'm going to actually fit this one in here. So I put that one in there, that one in there. Those on. As you can see, pretty simple. If I can do it, trust me, anyone can do it. Fitting that in there, locking it in. Now to make sure that I can tighten the rest of the tyres up properly. So I'll tighten it up as much as I can before I lower it again. That one's done. 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 Good. I can now lower the actual jack itself. I've got this tool that's been provided. I just flick the lever to reverse the direction that I want it to turn. This can be done by hand, and that's done. It's now sitting the car on the actual space saver tyre provided. Make sure you just go around tightening everything up. I mean, you've got all the instructions and labels appropriately there. I'm lucky enough also to have the actual TPMS tyre monitoring system provided for the Spare, and I brought an additional 4 more for the remaining tyres to monitor the tyres. The app that actually comes for your mobile phone to monitor your tyres is fantastic, and you can set a maximum and a minimum. And there you have it, the actual spare tyres fitted and gets me out of trouble. Thank you very much.